We're getting our garden planted.
Hey, this is Sandy and Tim from our Wee Tennessee homestead. So the reason that you haven't seen a whole lot of video from us about our garden is because this is the extent of our garden. Those 12 tomato plants were put in a couple weeks ago. Those taro plants over there, a couple of them grew back from last year, and Tim's planting some more of them. Just got the garden tilled today, and this is June the 29th. Got a friend's tiller that Tim was fixing, so once he got part of it fixed, he was able to use it to till the garden.
Had to make sure it worked.
Yeah, there you go. The hoop house isn't done yet. Those raised beds there are full of weeds. Those raised beds over there are full of weeds, and I've got a few seeds planted. I've got 16 and 12. I got 28 seeds planted. Some beans, tomatoes, some spaghetti squash, more tomatoes. It's just been, there's been a lot going on, and I'll be honest with you. I've been working, yeah. And every time I've walked out into the garden, I've kind of dreaded it because it got so out of hand over the winter. You know, this is now the third time that we're trying to work this ground. And the first year, did we even have we didn't till the first year, did we? We just tried to plant. We did raised beds. We did raised beds because this half of the garden wasn't here last year. So we had some raised beds the first year, which actually did pretty good. The second year, we moved the fence back and added this section and attempted to grow some stuff. We did grow some stuff. Critters got some stuff. We did do pretty good with butternut squash and stuff last year. But it's still heavy with weed seed. And so over the winter, hang on. Over the winter, it grew up pretty bad this spring. All the weeds came up and stuff, and I just got real discouraged, I'll be honest with you. With everything else that's going on and juggling working from home and just all the stuff that we've got going on, I couldn't make myself get out here as soon as I should have. And I'm sharing that with you because we're not out here trying to show everything's perfect and stuff. We're trying to encourage other people that maybe are going through the same thing. So if you've got a homestead you've started, and it's not where you want it, you've got a neighbor that's got a great garden and a great crop, and you don't, or yours isn't even planted yet, don't give up. Just get out there, do what you can, plant what you can. We all need to be planting. We all know the situation of the economy and the food and potential war and all that kind of stuff. So we all need to be planting enough to feed ourselves.
Prices, if nothing else.
Yeah, exactly. Prices, if nothing else. So don't get discouraged and don't give up. We're back out here. We're working. And it's amazing, just having the ground tilled flipped a switch in my mindset. From being discouraged to looking at tilled ground was kind of looking at like a blank canvas that was ready to have paint put on it. So I want to encourage you. Just keep pressing on every day. Now I've still been doing canning and preserving and all that kind of stuff. I just get stuff from the store and do it. That's all. I canned meatballs last night for my son. But just keep pressing on. And if you've been discouraged, if you're not where you're at, drop a note in the comments, and we'll be happy to pray for you. But let us know how you're doing and your walk this year with your garden. And anyway,
we have fireflies.
We do have fireflies. I don't know that you can see the fireflies. There they are. They're twinkling. That's God's gift to us. It's God's light show to us as far as we're concerned. But anyway, we appreciate you stopping by and watching. Hit like and subscribe if you don't mind. That'll help us grow our channel. Me being more consistent with videos will also help grow our channel. I'm human, and I'm just real. Anyway, we'll talk to you next time. Think of something to thank God for today. We love y'all, appreciate you, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.